Want to remove the background from a video on CapCut, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from a video on CapCut. Now let's get started. To remove the background from a video on CapCut, open the CapCut app and open an existing project you want to use this effect on, or start a new one. Add the clip you want to use as the background for your video to the main timeline. Then add your clip you want to remove the background from as an overlay. This will work best for videos with a solid colored background. For this example, I'm using one of the free green screen elements in CapCut's video library. To remove the background of your overlay, scroll sideways in the bottom menu and select Remove BG. Then tap Chroma Key. Use the color picker circle to select the background color you want to remove. Tap the check mark to confirm. You can then play back your project and see that the background has been removed from your overlay video. Continue editing your project and tap Export when you're finished. That's all it takes to remove the background of a video on CapCut. To learn more about adding overlays in CapCut, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.